Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. As usual, we will go through the workbook and do the last session's homework, and then we will pick up where we left off and the pupils book. So first, let's start with the workbook. And open the homework page, which was 50. What was 50? Join the dots and color the picture. So here, we're just joining the dots to make a picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where's 13? 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. We've got a nice boat, or yacht. You can also call it a yacht, because it looks bigger than just a boat. Okay? So use these words to finish the sentences. If you finish this one, then move on to the next one. The boat is solid, and water is liquid. Make sure you spell it correctly. You can always copy the spelling from here or from the book. Okay, great. Find 4 solids and 4 liquids in this grid. Write the words in the correct places. So here we have water. Here we have wood. Wood is a solid, so I write wood here. Wood. Next, we have metal. Here we have milk, which is a liquid. Milk. What else? What else can you find here? Now, I'm not sure if you can find anything else, but I think 2 in each side is enough. I can't read anything else. If you find anything else, that's great, but I'm not pretty sure there's anything else to find in this exercise here. Okay, great. Let's move to the next one. Finish the words and arrows to complete the chart. Add more properties if you can. Properties of solids and liquids. Solids keep their shape. Liquids pour and flow. Liquids take the shape of their container. Okay, so properties of solids and liquids. Solids keep their shape. Liquids pour and flow. Liquids also take the shape of their containers. If you put them in a bottle, they will look like a bottle. If you put them in the cup, they will look like the cup and whatever you put them inside. Okay, now here you'll say the rhyme. Jack and Jack went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So you just try to make it in sort of a song. You can sing it in any other way you like, but this is just something that I came up with. Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper, and went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Okay, this is sort of a rhyme that you can just sing along the lines here. Okay, find two solid things and two liquid things and a container in the rhyme. Okay, so let's start with solids. Okay, so we're gonna write solids here and liquids here. Okay, the container is going to be here. This is the container. Okay, so solids. Pail is a solid. Okay, it's something that we can just carry water with. Broke his crown. Crown could also be solid, or paper also. So we could just say crown. Okay, we can just say also paper is a solid. It's not a liquid. Okay, liquid. Water, of course. Vinegar is also liquid. Now, although pail is a solid, it is also a container. So we can just write pail here. Okay, so solids we have pail, crown, and paper, or just crown and paper. Liquids, water, and vinegar. Containers, pail. Okay, that's it for the homework. Now we can move on to today's lesson. So let's go to the course book or the pupils book and open today's page, which is 60, right? 68. Oh, sorry, 67. We'll just do this small exercise here and we can move on to 68. The earth is a, now let's look at the keywords. We have dark, day, earth, light, night, planet, star, and sun. Now the earth is a planet. The sun is a star. Okay, so the same thing we just did in the last lesson. The earth is a planet. The sun is a star. Okay, so that's what we wrote here. In the day, the sun gives us light. See the light? The sun gives us light to see. The sun gives us light to see in the day. Okay, describe 3 ways in which the sun and the earth are different. Okay, so we write sun here and earth here. Okay, now we're going to write the differences. The sun is a star. The earth is a planet. Okay, let's see. The earth is a huge ball of rock, water, and metal. So, huge ball of rock. What else? Rock, water, and metal. Water and metal. While the sun is a huge ball of fire. Huge ball of fire. Okay? Now, for the size, the sun is bigger. The earth is smaller than the sun. So the sun is bigger and the earth is smaller. Okay? So again, the sun is a star and the earth is a planet. The sun is a huge ball of fire. The earth is a huge ball of rock, water, and metal. The sun is bigger and the Earth is smaller. Great. Now we can move on to today's lesson in the next page, 68. Weather and the seasons. What's the weather like today? How did you go out today? The weather was kind of cold. We can say the weather is cold. It's not raining, it's dry. It wasn't very windy, it was just calm. So what's the weather today? Cold, dry, and calm. Okay, let's check all types of weather, or most types of weather that we can get in the 4 seasons. Look at the pictures below. What's the weather like? Tell a story about the weather in each picture. Okay, so we could just write one sentence next to each picture just to describe what's the weather like. So what's the weather like here? It's snowing. Of course, when it's snowing, it's also cold. Okay, so you can say it's snowing. You can also say and it's cold, but just it's snowing is enough for now. Okay, let's look at this one. It's raining. It's raining. Okay, good. Here, it's hot and sunny. Hot and sunny. Here, it's windy. You can also say it's very windy. It's very windy. Okay, so again, let's quickly review the weathers. Here, it's snowing. It's snowing. Next, it's raining. It's raining. It's hot and sunny. It's hot and sunny. It's very windy. It's very windy. Okay, so these are some of the main types of weather that we can get. You can go back at any time and review these because they're very important whenever you want to talk about the weather. Okay. The weather changes with the seasons. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 seasons, and the weather changes in these seasons. Okay, in winter, let's put a line here. In winter, the weather is cool. People wear warm coats. Sometimes it rains. So in winter, sometimes it's very cold. People wear warm coats to keep themselves warm. Sometimes it rains. In spring, the weather gets warmer. So in the winter, it is cool. In the spring, it gets warmer. In summer, it's hot and dry, so it doesn't rain. People find shade from the sun. Remember the shade that we had last time? Here, we have shade, we have the sunny side and the shady side. So people in the summer find shade from the sun. In autumn, the weather cools again. Winter is coming. So the autumn is sort of the transition period between the summer and the winter. Sometimes it changes, but usually it's like this. So autumn indicates that the winter is coming right after. So winter, the weather is cool or cold. People wear warm coats. Sometimes it rains. In spring, the weather gets warmer, so you can wear short sleeves and not wear. We don't have to wear coats because it's already warm. In summer, it is hot and dry. People find shade from the sun. In autumn, the weather cools again. Winter is coming. And that's the circle. So it keeps going like this. We have 4 seasons, and the weather keeps switching between types when the seasons change. Match each thing to a season, summer or winter. So we have 2 seasons, summer and winter. We have to match these things to each season. Sunglasses. Now, sunglasses are used when there is sun. Sun means it's hot or warm, not cold. Winter is cool, so no. Summer is hot, so sunglasses are in the summer. So here we can write summer. Okay, warm hat. Warm hat is what we use when we feel cold. So it must be cold when you wear a warm hat. The winter weather, in winter the weather is cool. So warm hat is in the winter. Okay, ice cream. Ice cream is cool and it is what we wear or what we eat when we feel it is hot. So which season is hot, winter or summer? Winter, the weather is cool, no. The summer is hot, so ice cream is in the summer. Summer. Umbrella is what we use when it rains. Let's see. In summer it is hot and dry, so no. In winter the weather is cool. People wear warm coats. Sometimes it rains. So umbrella is used in the winter. Okay, so sunglasses in the summer, warm hat in the winter, ice cream in the summer, umbrella in the winter. Okay, that's very good. We can move on to the next page and check out what's the weather forecast. The TV weather forecast shows us the weather today and tomorrow. Okay, we will go through this in the next lesson. I'll just give you a quick idea of what these things are. Okay, in the forecast, someone goes out in the news channel and gives us the weather today or tomorrow, and nowadays even next week and the rest of this week. The map in front of the weather forecaster, this is called a weather forecast. This is a weather forecaster, and this is a map. The map in front of the weather forecaster usually has symbols. We will explain what these symbols mean in the next lesson. But for now, let's just focus on what we've learned. So we have 4 types of weather: snowing, hot and sunny, raining, and very windy. Sometimes these mix up together. It can be hot and windy. It can be hot and snowy. It can rain and be very windy. So these can change, or they can work together. There are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. In winter it is cold. In spring it gets warmer. In summer it's hot and dry. In the autumn the weather is cool or cold again. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. We'll go back to the workbook and check what's our homework for today, and we will do it the next time together. Okay, trace the word and color the earth. Now here, if you want to color the earth, you can take a look at the picture that we have in the pupils book, and you can color it the same way. So the picture in the pupils book is on page 64. Okay, so you can color the earth the same way. and the sun the same way as well. But before you do that, you have to trace the word. So here we have earth. Okay, trace the sun as well, and then color them. The next exercise is match the words to the sun or the earth. Draw lines. So here we have to match these words with either picture. The place where we live, that's the earth. Okay, so you have to match the others to either the sun or the earth. Next up, choose the right word to complete each sentence. The earth is a planet. As for the rest, you can just do them on your own. After you answer them, just write the answer here. Planet. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time. Goodbye.